Hey folks, welcome to Lawn Legends, where we dive deep into the best tools for keeping your yard in top shape. Today we're looking at the Honda HRX217VKA, a lawnmower that's been turning heads for its power and versatility. Let's see if it's worth the hype. The Honda HRX217VKA comes with a robust GCV200 engine, promising reliable performance for any lawn size. It also features the micro-cut twin-blade system, which delivers ultra-fine clippings for a pristine finish. And check this out, the NeXite deck is rust-proof and incredibly durable. It's got an adjustable speed control system. Honda calls it Smart Drive. You can easily switch between mowing speeds with just your thumb, which is a game changer for uneven or tricky terrains. When it comes to cutting, the HRX27VKA excels. The 21-inch cutting width covers more ground in less time, and with 7 adjustable cutting heights, you can customize your mow to suit your lawn's needs. Thick, wet grass? No problem. This mower powers through like a champ. The bagging system is another highlight. The mower can mulch, discharge, or bag clippings, and the capacity of the bag is impressive. No constant stopping to empty it. So, here's what stands out about the Honda HRX27VKA. Incredible cutting power and precision, durable rust-proof deck, versatile options for mulching, bagging, or discharging, smooth speed control with Smart Drive. But there are a few drawbacks. It's on the heavier side, so maneuvering tight corners takes a little effort. At around $700, it's definitely an investment. So, is the Honda HRX217VKA worth the price tag? If you're serious about keeping your lawn immaculate and want a mower that can handle anything you throw at it, then absolutely. It's reliable, powerful, and built to last. That's my take on the Honda HRX217VKA. What do you think? Is it the right mower for you, or do you have a favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. This is Lawn Legends, signing off. See you next time.